Hey guys, it's Nina here. I hope that you guys are keeping safe, you're staying home. Today in Dubai, they actually eased restrictions. We can go out now, go to the shopping malls, but there are some guidelines that we have to adhere to. And one of those is wearing a face mask whenever we go out. So I really think that we're gonna be living in a world where face mask is gonna be a normal thing. Everybody's just gonna be wearing face masks. So today I thought of doing a video on how we put makeup with face masks. So first of all, we really need to prioritize our skincare because face masks can leave our skin feeling dry and irritated, especially if we wear it for a long time. By the way, Reuters reported that skincare in Korea actually increased in sales during this pandemic, and then the cosmetic products went down a bit. So that tells you that everybody's getting into the skincare game. Yeah, so definitely need to prioritize skincare. So after washing your face, apply products that are made with hyaluronic acid. So hyaluronic acid is a substance that retains moisture and keep your skin hydrated. So make sure that you use a serum that has hyaluronic acid. So for me, I use the ordinary hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5. So I use this and then I put on my moisturizer and then my sunscreen. When putting makeup, you really want to skip foundation. So you can go ahead and apply concealer. If you really want some coverage, you can put a tinted moisturizer. So hopefully that won't transfer. But yeah, more or less, I wouldn't suggest to put anything that might transfer to your mask. But yeah, but you can put concealer because your mask is not gonna be until here, right? So you can put your concealer and really the focus is gonna be on the eyes. So the must-have makeup products that we should have is one is your eyebrow liner, your eyebrow gel, your eyeliner. Make sure that they're smudge proof. And your mascara, yeah, again, smudge proof. So let me show you a quick makeup tutorial for your eyes when you're using your mask. We're gonna start with the eyebrows because it's the one that frames your face, so it's very, very important to have a well-groomed eyebrows. You can put a concealer if you want. So here I'm just putting a little bit of concealer all over my under eyes just to hide those dark circles. And then I'm just gonna get one eyeshadow and I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. I'm not gonna use any multiple eyeshadows, just one color for this look. Put it all over your lid, quick and easy. And then I'm gonna use a liner to line my eyes, and I'm just gonna follow the curvature of my eyes. Put that liner on. If you wanna make it long, you can. If you wanna make the liner dramatic, you can as well. And then after that, I'm just gonna use a cream brightening gel liner and I'm gonna line my waterline. So I'm just gonna use my shimmer eyeshadow stick and put that under my eyes for that eye bags look. And of course, we're gonna put our mascara, but before that, I'm just gonna curl my lashes. And then you can put any of your favorite mascara. So this mascara is by Benefit, it's the Bad Gal Bang. And then you can also put mascara on your lower lashes for that really big awake eyes. And then just to finish that off, I'm gonna put some highlighter in the inner corner of my eyes and on my brow bone. And there you go, that's the look. Quick and easy. You're ready to put on your mask. And I actually think that a mask can help boost your confidence because people don't recognize you. It kind of like hides you a bit. I don't know, mask does that, right? Mask makes you feel like you can be a different person. Oh, by the way, this coronavirus pandemic has led to a shortage of face masks, so I encourage you to create your own or be creative with your clothes. I've been actually using my scarves as face masks these days because, yeah, the supermarket's running out, the pharmacy's running out, and we really want to set aside the real masks to the frontliners. So yeah, create your own. Some people are actually sewing their own face mask. I want to try that, but I don't have a sewing machine and I don't know if I have time for that. So if you're gonna do it, please do it and maybe send some my way. So try different colors and yeah, explore with the face mask. And actually last February, New York Post actually called the face mask as a must-have accessory for the London Fashion Week. Yeah, That's it, guys. I hope you learned something. I hope those tips helped you a bit on how to brave this world with your face mask. I hope that you guys keep safe, stay home if you need to. Always be positive whatever the situation is, and keep smiling. Bye for now.